disconnect the number and try your call again.